everyone, welcome again to a new amazing video. And today we're gonna have so much fun because we're gonna talk about family. But first, let me ask, how are you? What day is today? And the most important thing, do you help your mothers? Today we're gonna talk about family. And family with rainbow stuff, you mean that you have a mother and a father, sister or brother. Now if you look at the picture, you're gonna see the mom and the dad and the sister and the brother. And it's small family, but some families are having a big family. But now we're gonna talk about this small tiny little family. Now if you look at the picture, you're gonna see that this family is a bit bigger than the previous family. It's gonna have a dad, mom, sister, brother, and little sister, and of course, we don't forget this little puppy or pet. Of course, when we talk about family, we don't forget the most precious people to our heart, and the first precious person we really appreciate and we really love with a lot of passion is our grandma. And grandma is the person that really take care of us. So we love you, grandma, and here we have grandma. And sure, we won't forget our grandpa. Grandpa is the person that really like us and love us and take care of us as well. So hello, grandpa. Now if you look, you're gonna see a grandma and a grandpa. And for me, I've got a grandma and a grandpa too. And of course, the people that are really in our heart are mom and dad. So we love you, mom and dad. My mom is a slim, adorable woman. My dad is tall. My mom is pretty, and my dad is a handsome man. My dad is taller than my mom. My family. When we say the word family, we mean that we have a lot of people in our life. And for example, I've got an aunt and an uncle, and they are so kind for me, and I love them so much. Sarah is my sister, Karam is my brother, and we are a big family. And when we talk about family, we don't forget our cousins, and we have a lot of cousins, and I have got 2 cousins, and I love them so much. Now let's make a quick review about the family. We talk about our family, and we said we name the people that are close to us and we really love. Now let's make a quick review. The people that really care about us, grandma and grandpa, and we name them grandparents. And the most amazing persons in our world, our mom and dad, and we name them parents. And also from the people that really care about us is our uncle. And we don't forget our aunt. So right now we are a big and amazing family. And the people that can be around our age and close to us is our cousins. And of course we spend a lot of time with them, we hang out with them, and we love them so much. So we love you, cousins. No matter how we say that there are really people close to us, we cannot forget the most important person in my world, in our world, is our sister. So me and my sister are so close and we love each other so much, and we are a big family. And of course we won't forget the person that he will protect us all the time is the brother. So brother and me. Now that's it with family. with us, Rainbow Stuff. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, give us a like, thumbs up. We love you all and see you next video.